You at Nuveen, of course, have all kinds of asset classes. Are you starting to worry at all or worried already about credit in any way, high yield? There's certain parts of the credit market, Sarah, that just seem like they may not be sick, but they got to sneeze at this point.
Higher interest rates are a headwind for fixed income, but when you look at the total return for some of these asset classes, like let's take a look at high yield munis where you can get 6 to 7% returns on that. That just is looking attractive. The fixed income markets have priced in a lot of rate hikes, and with the 10-year at about almost 3%, we don't think it increases at the rate that it's been going up year to date. So we're actually think that's one of the best areas that you can invest in right now because the risk reward for fixed income is attractive. Now, equity is a little bit different. You've got the S&P almost at 4,200 here. And until inflation breaks one way or another, we think equities are in a trading range with 4,200 being around near the top of it for the next few months until we see that moderation in inflation and more signs that while the economy is mixed, we're not going to go into a more serious decline.
Listen, you're talking. When's the last time we talked about municipal bonds? I mean, government. The government is gouging taxpayers, I think, because the profit margins on taxes. It's going to be record tax receipts this year, Sarah. I think California could have $100 billion surplus. Thank you, other states that ship the money. That aside, do you feel like municipals are going to be one of the best places because tax receipts are doing so well?
And that is exactly the key with muni bonds, is that the fundamentals have remained very strong throughout the year. It's been more the headwinds in the macro of higher interest rates. And that's why now you're getting these yields, and particularly in the high yield area, that look very attractive. And as I mentioned, the risk reward looks strong because the fundamentals are really in place to support, given how well the states are doing.